Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miranda if you're new here, which I'm sure all of you are. I am 27 years old. I live in Dallas with my husband and my dog Shadow. I am actually on my way to go pick him up right now, but I am happy to tell you guys that I am doing Vlogmas. As you can tell, you're watching the video right now, so obviously you already know that I'm doing Vlogmas, but I'm doing 12 days of Vlogmas instead of the full 25 days, 25 days, mostly because I've never done it before on YouTube and I want to make sure that I actually follow through with it. So instead of posting every day, I'm going to be posting every other day. So this video will go up on December 2nd and then it'll alternate every day until basically Christmas. I am spending today resetting the entire apartment, doing full like Vlogmas prep, cleaning the apartment so we can decorate for Christmas. But I have to go and pick up my dog from my mother-in-law because we went to a housewarming party for a few of our friends last night and we didn't get home until late, so Shadow stayed somewhere else. So let's go pick him up and then we're gonna go home and then get started on our Vlogmas prep. Passion fruit papaya green tea from Panera. Inject that into my veins. It's so good. I have been procrastinating long enough. I think now the hair is going up and it is officially time to clean this apartment, to get it Vlogmas ready. You guys are not ready to see the mess that we have around here. It is honestly diabolical. All right, let's get cleaning. Goodwill. I know your house is messy too. Don't judge me. Okay, so I did not get to clean the rest of the bedroom. And I didn't get to the bathroom or my closet. The rest of the apartment is essentially ready for Christmas decorations tomorrow. I'm so excited to go to bed and wake up and it's officially December. And tomorrow will be the first day of our advent calendar. And I can't wait to show you guys what the advent calendar is. You're gonna die. But for now, good night. Good morning. It's December 1st. We are gonna be decorating for Christmas later, and I'm so excited. This is the first year that we have some Christmas decorations that's not just the tree. Last year we just had the tree, mostly because we don't have a lot of storage. We don't have anywhere to put all the Christmas decorations, but I did get a little bit of Christmas decorations. I work from home full time, so I have to get ready. Okay, now that I have my Christmas coffee in my cute little Christmas cup, I got these off of Amazon and I'm so happy because what's better than drinking out of a festive cup? Okay, so right now the plan is I have to get ready for my first meeting of the day. For my makeup, I always go in just like really simple, especially since I'm working from home. Like, who's gonna see me? And it always looks good on camera. I just go in with a tinted SPF and then just like apply some basics. Always put on moisturizer before you put on a tinted SPF, or else it won't blend right. If anybody cares what makeup I use, I will link it on my LTK and I'll put that in the description of this video. Everything is very affordable. I can't share with you the tinted SPF because it hasn't launched yet. I do buy all of my makeup from Ulta, and it is the makeup products that I absolutely swear by. So if you care at all, head on over to my LTK. It's linked in the description to figure out what products I use. I'm definitely by no means a beauty creator, but I am really picky about my makeup products. I've tried so many over the years, and these are the ones that I have just started buying again and again because I really like them. That is essentially the gist of it. I had my hair curled really cute for the housewarming party that we went to on Saturday. And then, you know, when you sleep on it, it just kind of gets all messed up. I also have a Vlogmas bucket list that I will share with you guys very shortly, so just stay tuned. But for now, I'm gonna go jump in my meeting and then do some work, and then we will decorate for Christmas later tonight. He loves to sit in his little bed while I work. I work in this desk over here, and I also have a little walking pad that I love, but then while I'm in meetings, I'm not gonna walk on my walking pad, so I put this little cushion here so that my feet don't hurt while I'm working. So for Vlogmas this year, I made a little Vlogmas bucket list to kind of keep the festivities, you know, exciting. The first thing on my Vlogmas bucket list is I want to bake something festive. A pie, a tart, gingerbread cookies. We will be making gingerbread cookies. I make those every year. They're so good. The second thing that I have is I really want to challenge myself, and I really want to secure some type of brand deal. Since I'm posting all of December, I just think it would be really fun to try to challenge myself to see if I could get a brand deal for something. If you're a brand and you're watching, you can find my email in the description. Okay, the third thing that I have on my Vlogmas bucket list is I really want to watch a Christmas movie. This one is pretty much a layup. I mean, we're gonna watch a Christmas movie, but we don't know which one. Home Alone, Christmas Vacation, that is like an all-time classic. I'm curious to know, what is your favorite Christmas movie? So comment down below what your favorite Christmas movie is. Okay, number 4 on my Vlogmas bucket list is see a light show. We have a lot of light shows here around Dallas, but I've never been to one, and I think it would be really fun, even though the lines do typically get long and like sometimes you have to buy tickets for them. I'm just really determined to actually do some Christmas activities this year, so that one's going on the list. Following up on that one, it's kind of similar, adjacent, doing a Christmas activity. I really want to go to a Christmas market. It's been so hard to try and find some like good Christmas activities that don't cost like $1 million to go and do, because your girl is on a budget over here. So going to a Christmas market, seeing what they have to offer, I think would just be really fun and festive. Similar to the Christmas market, if you live in Texas, you know that Grapevine is the Christmas capital of Texas. So I really want to go see downtown Grapevine. And the last thing that I have on my Vlogmas bucket list at the moment, I do want to see if I can add some more things to the list, but as of right now, my last one on my list that I really hope we can go do is go to a Christmas themed jazz club. I do want to go to like a Christmas themed pop-up bar. There's one around here. It's called the Suburban Yacht Club, and Blake and I went and met some friends there a couple years ago. We weren't even able to get in because they had like a 6-hour wait. So we'll see about the Christmas pop-up, but I really want to go to a Christmas jazz club. So tentatively, that is my Christmas Vlogmas bucket list. If you know what's on your Christmas bucket list this year, put it in the comments because I need some more ideas. And I'm also just curious to know what other people do around the Christmas season. Actually logging off for the day. It is 6 o'clock and definitely an hour past when I typically work, but I had a lot of meetings today. I had a lot of catching up to do, so. But my Nespresso pods just came in, so I need to go put those away, and then we can decorate for Christmas. Pod number 1. Day number 1. Look, you got little dog treats. Can you sit? Good boy. Good boy.
Sit. Oh, good boy. Here you go.
That is officially a wrap on Vlogmas day 1 of 12 days of Vlogmas. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started editing this video. So I will see you guys in the next one.